Hey, it's Barry. Let's take a look at this math challenge. So the sum of two non-zero real numbers is 4 times their product. What is the sum of the reciprocals of the two numbers? So the reciprocal really is just the fraction of that number. So we have a number a, then the reciprocal is 1 divided by a. So let's try this problem. So we have two non-zero real numbers and we don't know what they are. So we can say those two numbers are x and y, and they are non-zero, so they're not equal to 0. So the sum is x plus y, and we know that this sum is 4 times their product. The product meaning we multiply them. So 4 times x, y. So we will work with this equation to answer the question. So what is the sum of the reciprocals of the two numbers? So the reciprocal of x is 1 over x, and the reciprocal of y is 1 over y. And we want to find the sum. Okay, so we want to find what the value of this expression is. Now, instead of trying to find the individual values of x and y, we can try and work with what we have here, okay? So let's divide both sides by xy. So on the left-hand side, we have x plus y divided by xy, and that equals 4xy divided by xy. So, as you can see, on the right-hand side, the xy's cancel out, and we get a 4. And then on the left-hand side, we have x divided by xy plus y divided by xy. So the x's cancel out and the y's cancel out. So we are left with 1y plus 1 divided by x equals 4. And as you can see, that it's what we are after. So we find that the answer is 4. And as a side note, we can try through trial and error find that x and y, they are just 2, because 2 plus 2 is just 4 times 2 times 2, right? So, oh, actually, no. I think x and y, x would be a half, and then y would be a half as well, because the sum of them, which is just a half and a half, is 1. And then 4 times their product, so 4 times a half and a half, that is just 4 times a quarter, that's 1. So we verify the rule here. And then what is the sum? Well, the sum is just a half plus a half. No, the sum is 1 divided by a half plus 1 divided by a half. So that's just 2 plus 2, and that's 4. So we have verified everything. And that is our answer. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.